Another load of dirt over to run. We're gonna see how this runs out. He dug this out from between the cracks in the bedrock over there. He's gonna turn it sideways to the flow, shake it and break it up, get it all stratified. And then he's just gonna turn and rotate it into the flow of the water. Let the water flow through, and he's giving it the ramming motion, the little jigging ramming motion. And as he does, it'll take away the rocks, it'll take away the gravels, and it'll leave the gold and some heavy black sands and some blonde sands, because we're not running it down that far. We just run it down to get a good run, and we dump it in the bucket right quick. Looks like he got a pretty good run. It's all cleaned up. You got gold again?
Right there.
Like there. There's more gold. Just getting wild gold right out of the creek here. Does what it's supposed to. Catches them little bitty fine pieces. I mean, anybody can catch big gold, but you know, if you're gonna do something, catch them little bitty ones. Catch the itty bitty ones, then you prove something to somebody.